Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the RSI LiDo Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool builds on the classic RSI concept by adding its own logic and visual enhancements, helping you see momentum shifts, trend phases, and potential reversal zones more clearly on your charts. At this point, I'll go ahead and load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. Alright, there we have it. As you can see, the RSI LiDo indicator typically appears in a separate sub-window as a modified RSI style line, sometimes combined with additional levels, colors, or signal markers that reflect its internal logic. As the line moves between lower and upper bounds, as you can see on your right here, it highlights when the market is in neutral, overbought, or oversold zones, visually indicating where momentum is stressed or cooling. Alright, we can basically see how it looks in a separate sub window. It's quite easy to interpret. Over time, the visual pattern of the LiDo line helps you see how momentum cycles align with price swings without prescribing exact entries or exits. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. So our key setting is just the RSI period here, set to the default of 14. You can also choose your preferred colors for the oscillating line, or the oscillating dots rather in this case, and trade on your preferred time frames as well. So who's this indicator for and what are its limitations? The RSI LiDo indicator is suited to traders who like momentum oscillators and want the variation of RSI that aims to highlight shifts in strength with a clearer or more refined presentation. It is an analytical tool only and does not execute trades, and as with any oscillator, it can produce false or late signals, especially in volatile or strongly trending markets where extremes can persist. For best use, it should be combined with price structure, trend context, support and resistance, and solid risk management rather than used in isolation. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the RSI LiDo indicator and see example charts at the Forex Geek. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.